Hello, viewers and crypto community. Welcome back with an amazing and astonishing event. So today we are going to discuss WWFC Week's Global Contract Competition. Get ready for WWFC Season 2, the Global Crypto Futures Competition with massive rewards and minimal entry barriers. Registration is now live. So here we will discuss the details of this competition. So let me tell you that you are welcome to the week's World Future Competition, where strategy, teamwork and volume lead to big wins. Compete for a prize pool of up to 900,000 US dollars plus share in a 100,000 sign up bonus during pre-registration. Pre-registration date is July 3 to July 14 and the official battle will start. Here you can check the event time. It's going to be start on 13 July and it is going to be ending on 30th July 2025. So remember the dates. There are still 6 days, 18 hours and 38 points have been left. Trading and profit top champion takes 35 of prize pool. So this is amazing chance for you to get and grab the opportunity. So here you can check the registration team is 369 have been registered, and here you can check the current number of participation is 60,790, and here you can get the data details. So it's going to be very amazing. Now I will discuss participation highlights. Just 3 people needed to form a team. Pre-register now and get up to 40 US dollar bonus. Only 30,000 US dollar in trading volume to qualify. Compete on the dual leaderboard, profit or volume, your choice. Team that rank can earn big, and 35% of the prize pool goes to the participants. So here how it works. 2 leaderboards, maximize profit or maximize trading volume. Both paths lead to the prizes. The prize pool is dynamic, increasing with overall trading volume. Top 10 teams win rewards, and here you can get prize pool. So dear viewers, here you can check the details that 20% goes to the team captain and 40% is split among the top 10 traders, and then 40% is share equally among all qualified members in the team. It's all about skill, teamwork and smart trading. Don't miss the chance. Be part of this amazing event and grab the opportunities offered by the weeks. So whether you are an experienced trader or a Web3 squad or a crypto influencer with a community, it's your choice and it's your chance, open to everyone, and there's more than one way to win. So here you can get the further details about this event, and this is going to be full of opportunities for you. And here you can check data volume ranking, and here you can check the award requirements. You can get details, and here how you can create a team. The process have been explained, and become the captain and enjoy 20% team bonus. You can join the team, and here are the links are available. You can make your own team, and you can also join the teams already prepared, and here you can check the links. Here is the team that is Mr. Crypto, and here you can check the crypto mix, and here you can check the Zoiming community. So these are the team, and they are open for joining the team. So you can also join one of this team, and you can also make your own team. And team reward distribution I have explained, and here you can check the reward description, trading volume ranking and revenue ranking. Here you can check that total transaction volume reaches, and here you can get details ranking, and here you can check the team rewards 200 USDT dollars, and here you can check team size is 3. So here you can check the team rewards, and here you can check the award requirements. So details have been provided, and this is amazing chance for you, and I would suggest to all my viewers to be part of this amazing event. And here you can check that if your team size is greater than equal to 3, then you can also earn at the team ranking number 10 is 6 USDT. So here is the activity rules. I would suggest to all my viewers to read out these rules and get the latest information and the prerequisition of getting connected with this amazing event. And here is the frequently asked question. If you have any question in your mind, you can get detailed answers from here. Still you have any question, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section of the video. And here is the week's customer services contacts have been provided. You can check week's social media links, you can check week's customer services, business cooperation, quantitative market maker corporation, and other links have been provided. You can also contact Wix official team. And now I would suggest to all my viewers to join this event. And this is going to be where crypto trading meets real competition, low barrier, transparent rules, dynamic rewards. Don't miss out. Register now and claim your share. So here is the registration link have also been provided. So dear viewers, this is the registration link of Wix, and I would suggest to all my viewers to register their account, make their team, and be part of this amazing event and participate in this event to get the amazing opportunities offered by the Wix. So dear viewers, now we will discuss a major upgrade on the Wix exchange and its Spot Pro, a powerful leap forward from the old spot trading system. Whether you are a trader, influencer or cold KOC, this upgrade is packed with game-changing features. Let's break it down. Here you can get details about this amazing change, and here you can check launch schedule for the new Spot Pro is July 15, 2025. And it will apply July 20, 2025. So here we will discuss why choose Spot Pro one by one. Here first of all we will discuss match performance. So Spot Pro is lightning fast, handling up to 20,000 transactions per second. That's 10x faster than the old system, which could only do 2000 TPS. More speed means smoother trades and better results. And the second option is trading experience. Here you can check in the table. So the trading experience, say goodbye to delays with Spot Pro. You get faster order placement, quicker cancellations and real-time data even during market rushes. The old system, it often lagged during peak activity. And the third one is slippage control. Spot Pro gives you lower slippage and more accurate prices. This means less money lost due to prices swings while executing orders. In comparison, the older version had higher slippage and bigger price gaps. And the fourth one, here you can check the fourth one is trading pair. Number of trading pairs over 3000 plus trading pairs will be supported, giving users strong supported liquidity and more opportunities. The old system had limited pair options and weaker liquidity. And the next one is account system. Spot Pro introduces separate funding and trading accounts, helping you manage assets more clearly. The legacy system only had a single accounting, make assets management a bit confusing. And the next one is app support. Here you can see the last one feature is app support. And finally, Spot Pro comes with full app support and is fully compatible with the latest